Hey guys, welcome to the channel Marzu Digital Learning and welcome to the Hindu newspaper analysis. Ngasi November date 4 Thursday numit ki newspaper analyze tawba horasi. Ahanba topic si excise duty on petrol cut by ₹5, diesel by ₹10. Central government na excise duty se ₹5 diesel petrol gi oina cut down tawgre aduga diesel gi na ₹10. Sida yam important laite mathang topic te salaje duna. Central teams rush to state hit by dengue. Dengue na kano naba se dengue gi magi naba se nomo gi sum situation se worse oire do dengue maram da hana khangmina rasiduna hengalebe state sing se amte yengam se union territories state Haryana, Kerala, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir sing मैम से dengue अनाब से ने हेंगलक मफम सिंह दुने dengue की मरम दा हाना खमीना रसे dengue prevention and identification UPSC syllabus का आइना comparison तौरगा ताके ना सुमाइन तौबने दो GS paper 2 की अंदुगा GS paper 3 दा health and scientific innovation and discoveries की माई syllabus दा सिगी कनो सिगी मनुंग दा यावने topic सिगी मनुंग दा यारक तुने dengue से dengue is the mosquito borne tropical disease caused by the dengue virus genus flavivirus मागी dengue virus ममिंग से ने genus flavivirus and transmitted by several species of mosquito within the genus Aedes principally Aedes aegypti magi transmitted sina mosquito genus Aedes ki mosquito sina tayo magi genus aegypti se atopa bacteria atopa disease atai sumana transmit tawe chikungunya yellow fever zika infection sigum se magi symptom na sudden high fever severe headache pain behind the eye severe bone joint and muscle pain etc diagnose na mase blood test tawraga diagnose tawba ngami aduga and magi treatment tawnaba specific medicine hoji phawo puthokpa ngamdri status of dengue world health organization estimated that state dengue ki status world health organization ekoi globally haragana 39 crore per infection chahi mada aduga magi symptom utpasina 9.6 crore atai makha topa 9.6 crore sina tabasinguna symptom uttabangakta India registered over 1 lakh dengue cases in 2018 Indiana 1 lakh dengue cases se 2018 da register tawi aduga 2019 dana 1.5 lakh according to Kanagi report na sise Kanagi report na pirakpano haidi National Vector Borne Disease Control Program gi report ta hairakpani National Vector Borne Disease control program sina national central nodal agency ni control mana 6 vector borne disease ka control tawi malaria dengue lymphatic filariasis kala azar japanese encephalitis and chikungunya hase Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ki makhada thabak tawi controlling dengue using bacteria. Recently, researchers from the World Mosquito Program has used mosquito infected with Wolbachia bacteria to successfully control dengue in Indonesia. Indonesia the recently researchers mayamna mosquito program ama tawbakan the Wolbachia bacteria se mosquito de infect tawraga asagi dengue na base khara handarakadra ina moina research ama tawrami adugi magi method sina Wolbachia bacteria se mosquito de inject tawbal loraga mosquito se local mosquito ga breed tawnaba release tawe adukanda local mosquito da release breed tawra matungda ngasagi moina mu research tawba kanda 77% adugi mafamduda release tawba mafamduda tarae haina report ta sumo gi report ta su haire dengue की वैक्सीन से अमेरिका US की फूड एंड ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन 2019 ने अप्रूव तौग्रे dengue की वैक्सीन अहान में वैक्सीन CYD TDV और डेंगवाक्सिया सुकवेबा मथंग सिना मथंगी टॉपिक ता अमुक सलाजी NCPCR issue notice to NCERT on transgender inclusion manual. Following the right-wing backlash on social media and a complaint from a former Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Pracharak the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has issued a notice to the National Council of Educational Research and Training (NCERT) regarding its new training manual on inclusion of the transgender children in school. Transgender children se manual training da NCERT na hapubagi damakta sai RSS amadi atopa right wing atopa group khana su NCPRC da ma case ama thangalakpane National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. National Commission of Protection Child Rights se kai organization no kai no hai do khangminarasi. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights GS paper 2 की judiciary statutory body issue related to children simyam si manung de yarakani ko ama de hekte yarak pa yai. Why in news NCPCR issue notice to NCERT regarding its new training manual on inclusion of transgender children in school. Magi hauji ki issue duni sina transgender children se school da hapu bagi damakta NCERT bu NCPCR se notice ama thangale. About NCPCR statutory body amane ma se 2007 da set up tawkiba Act of Parliament matungina the Commission of Protection of Child Rights Act 2005 ki makhada. It works under the control kanagi control the thabak tawe haidi Ministry of Women and Child Development ki under the thabak tawe. The commission mandate to ensure that all laws, policies, program and administrative mechanism and are in consonance with the children right perspective as enshrined in the Constitution of India and also in the United Nations Convention of the Child Rights of the Child. Mana mandate ise any policies, law, program oiro children gi maram da bu yauraba Indian Constitution da children gi right ki maram da iramba aduga United Nations Convention da children right ki maram da hairiba mayam do mana policies mayam do mana yengsanduine ba children gi right se chumbra lanbra sida pire se children right se fulfill tawbra na mana adugumba control am taweba. It monitors the implementation of protection of child right from sexual offense POCSO Act 2012 ma se POCSO Act si sumana implementation tawi aduga our right to information Act 2009 sigi manung makhada sumana thabak myama paikhaleba kai thabai the inquiry into complaint about violation of law angangi violation of law sida inquiry tawba summon an individual and demand evidence ma se individual ama da mana kai guma child rights se violation taw re hai dimana adugi demand evidence demand taw baya ba seek a magistrate inquiry file a writ petition in the High Court or Supreme Court recommendation interim relief to those affected mayam the children adudagi sokpa mayam da mana relief compensation khara pibagi mangonda kitang adugi power khara layaba. Composition composition china kana no the commission has chairperson and six member of which at least 2 should be women. All of them are appointed by the central government for 3 years. Central government appointed tawi aduga magi maximum age ina 65 years ni chairperson gina aduga atopa members gina 60 years. Next topic amutarasi. A dangerous proposition in Kerala High Court si adiam important oi banate ko ina sum khanganing dana harak pane Prime Minister gi photo se kaino de yawbodo vaccine gi certificate yawbodo adudo lauthok piyo haina mi kharana sum Kerala High Court ta plea tawrakpa adu tani sida kemata hen ba yawdi. NHRC asks Tripura government to submit report on violence. National Human Rights Commission sida Tripura government na report ama violence ki by mamanga tawkiba violence ki report khara pirona dugi complaint violence tawkibagi Tripurada political violence, the violence against person from religious minority mayamna violence tawkibado adugi report ama semona haiba. National Human Rights Commission haise kaino khangminaraje sida yam important oide ko atei National Human Rights Commission chine atopa current affair gi issue sidi sum akoina knowledge leina ma khitang khangnaba hoji karai da kari oire si khangnaba gi damaktane ado asengba important di National Human Rights Commission chine aduna National Human Rights Commission haise khangminaraje. Indian polity da so yawi ko National Human Rights Commission se GS paper 2 the statutory body manung da so yarak pa yama se National Human Rights Commission is an independent statutory body established in 12 October established in 1993 Protection of Human Rights Act ki provision as per provision of the Protection of Human Rights Act later amended in 2006 tamase amended tau ki National Human Rights Commission celebrated its Silver Jubilee 2018 October 12 tamase Silver Jubilee celebrate tawkire 25 years subage magi headquarter di New Delhi damase watchdog of human right in the country human right ki watchdog ni related to kai right no haridi related to life liberty equality and dignity of the individual guaranteed by the Indian Constitution or embodied in the international conventions and enforcement by the Court of India koi gi constitution da piba right adugum sing dugi mana watchdog oi adugi implementation tawbra tawdra haina yengbadugi what are human right har kari human right no haidi as per United Nations definition that these right are inherent to all human being regardless mioi ba khudimak ta sigi right se loinama inherit tawi magi regardless of race sex nationality ethnic race sex nationality ethnic ambo yengdana language religion yengdana magi ami khudimak ke right cha chap mane United Nation definition matungina human right haradi right to life liberty freedom from slavery and torture freedom of opinion and expression the right to work and education and many more these are entitled to anyone without any discrimination ambo leitana ama mi khuding makta chap manana right se lay structure of the commission NHRC ki structure di NHRC is a multi-member body which consists of chairman and 7 other members. Out of 7 members, 3 are ex officio member. NHRC से multi-member ने chairman का 7 other member हम गयावी 7 other members ने ex officio member ने बा हाइदी अतोप commission खरागी मासे chairman ओइरंबा याय अदो सीधा NHRC दा लागा अतोप chairman सिंह दुना ex officio ओइना लापने बा the chairman is a retired chief justice of India or a judge of the Supreme Court की सही chairman सिना retired chief justice of India or suya duga judge of Supreme Court or suya ba retired oibo taba they are appointed by the president on the recommendation of 6-member committee president appointed tawi moise kana gi recommendation dagi the prime minister speaker of Lok Sabha deputy chairman of Lok Sabha leader of the opposition in both of houses of parliament union home minister mayam cinema ki removal term di they hold office for a term of 3 years or until they attain the age of 70 years 3 years mogi tenure ni aduga 70 years na 3 years is sudringai da moina 70 years su wala yesu adudo moi remove to bayaba the president can remove them from the office under the specific circumstance aduga president na moi se remove to bangam meba chahi ge sugera surogera kaiguma moi gi mathakta moina thabuk phajana taude aduguma complaint thangalaga kanda president na moi se remove to bayaba function and power moi function di inquiry into complaint and violation on human right so moto power like moi se moina violation of human right ama ubatar di moina adugi problem the moina hega thangat pa yaba court ta so moto powers mina moida hairak ta batar ju moina lauraga thangat pa yaba negligence in the prevention of such violation by the public servant singna thabak phajana tawra tawdra adu sing moina yangsali studies treaties and international instrument and human right and make recommendation for their effective implementation to the government human right and make recommendation for their effective implementation. Government gi khoi gi human right recommendation when recommendation to government da human right ki maram da spreading human right awareness, have power of civil court ke power su lai moi da is quasi judicial in nature se moi judicial quasi judicial in nature ne. Recommendation to center state government with regard to human right violation matung ina center state mo recommendation pi be ai ba moi gi limitation khara su lai. No investigation workforce mo na investigation se hekta tauge na taurakan da mina sumaina atopa center na thingak pata ri moina investigation je mapung phana pangthok pangam de. View as ceremonial body haina su moi je unai kai gin haidi ayam bana sida member oire mayam je retire ngaktani duna ceremonial body ni hain su unai not capable of giving relief. Duga kaigumba victim gi moina relief pi base moina recommendation di tau ba ba duga recommendation di 50 lakh ama piu 5 lakh ama piu haina moina recommendation tau banga me aduga moina duty oina pangthok pangam deba pi han ba budi moina ngam deba. Limited power on armed force matter da moi gi limitation power se limitation lai. Only recommendatory power khakte lai moina work on decision oina enforce decision tau bangam deba. Next article num gi ngasi US put Israeli maker of Pegasus spyware on blacklist. Pegasus spyware semba Israeli company NSO group to US na blacklist da thamgre. Do Pegasus spyware se kaino na yengminarasi. Pegasus spyware. Recently, it has been reported that Pegasus, this malicious software, has allegedly been used to secretly monitor a spy on an extensive host of public figures in India. The public da phone da computer da malicious software se thajalaga public ki information se lauthokna ba spy tawna ba software amane ba se Pegasus spyware se. About Pegasus, it is a type of malicious software or malware classified as spyware. Software se malicious natraga malware malicious software natraga malware na sukhangnei ma se spyware amani ai mi khanghandana atopa mi ge information lauthokpa. It is designed to gain access to device without the knowledge of users and gather personal information and relay it back to whoever it is that using the software space. Software spy use tauba khuding mak to magi software se use tauba khuding mak to magi information se personally mi khangdana lauthok na ba kano spyware mane ba se. Pegasus has been developed by the Israeli from NSO group that was set up in 2010. Pegasus se Israeli gi NSO group na set up taubani mo se aduga NSO group se 2010 set up taubani. The earliest version of Pegasus discovered, which was captured in research in 2016. Earliest version sina sagi phone sida link ama natraga text message ama tharaga adugi link to the click tawrakanda malicious link se click tawrakanda aikoina information do moina kano gather tawba ngamgane ba aduga magi hoji ki kano sina Pegasus sina hanadagi hane advance oire ba hoji sidi zero click ne ba moina link tharak trasu yai kaiguma ko WhatsApp call dagi hoji ayamana haine se WhatsApp call se la akanda without aikona WhatsApp call do lakhut kera lakhuloi gera adugi access to moida leira damne ba ikoi phone sige. Mogi target sina kana no hai ka taradi human right activists mayam je journalists and lawyer around the world and the atopa sina India gi wena the minister government officials aduga leader mayam opposition leader mayam ama sising se amogi target neba. In 2019 WhatsApp file 2019 the WhatsApp na NSO group da kano file tawe kaigino haidi moi cyber attack tawrakpagi damakta mobile device da mobile da cyber attack tawrakpagi damakta recent step taken in India da kai step la khot crazy gumba cyber attack mayam se kano tawna tackle tawna bagi haidi cyber surakshit bharat Bharat initiative launched in 2018 awareness sandokpagi cyber surakshit Bharat initiative sina aduga national cyber security coordination Center NCCC was developed to scan internet traffic and communication metadata, which are little snippets of information hidden inside its communication coming into the country to detect real-time cyber threats. In NCCC, National Cyber Security Coordination Center, tabise koigi hidden communication se mane scan to bane ba cyber threat se chidagi kannaba hidden information hidden communication da yawi ba magi hidden information se sina detect to ba cyber swat kendra sina computer ke koigi virus kum malware kum clean taunaba Indian Cyber Crime Coordination National Cyber Crime Report Portal yam laikre ko legislation sina Information Technology Act 2000 amana Personal Data Protection Bill 2019 sigi matung ina legislation je palak toini. Next article na muktaurasi. Manpreet also get the Khel Ratna Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. The award Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna se kana phangdore anda Neeraj Chopra, Ravi Kumar, Lavlina Borge, RP Srijes, Manpreet Singh, Avni Lekhra, Manish Narwal, Sumit Antil, Pramod Bhagat, Krishnanagar, Botpara, Badminton gi sina Mithali Raj, Sunil Chetri. Major Dhyan Chand Award se kay award no khangminar se Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award hana Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award se Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award haina kaunarami ama se Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award haina onthoki bani ma prize ke case prize se 25 lakh ne. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest sporting award given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport for the spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sport. Major Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Khel Award se kanana pi hadi Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports for the spectacular phajana spectacularly eye catching wina sanaba aduga 4 years particularly 4 years continue smine sport person se 4 years phajana smine sanaba se sida Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award se pidorimi. The award comprises a medal and ngasi handaki award piri se Andakinate Rajiv Gandhi Khel Award pirise medal ne certificate ne aduga cash prize 7.5 lakh pi hojikna jagi Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award sina 25 cash prize ni 25 lakh oina tawba. The Khel Ratna Award was instituted in the Khel Ratna Award was instituted in 1991-1992 and the first recipient Khel Ratna Award se mage first recipient che chess legend Viswanathan Anand. Among the other winner atopa ahanba winner se Viswanathan Anand ne atopa mathang si mayam su leire. Major Dhyan Chand se kanano haidi ma se wizard amane legend ni hana khangne ba sai hockey player da mana magi career da 400 goals achieve tawram scoring tawram ba. Dhyan Chand magi pokpam maphamna Allahabad ta pomi aduga was a part of Olympic team that won gold medal mone Olympic team gi part amane ma se gold medal phangba matam duna 1828 1932 and 1936 si matam duna gold medal phangami. Apart from the Khel Ratna Award, the country's highest award for lifetime achievement in support in sports known as Dhyan Chand Award, it was instituted in 2002. Sai Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award se nataba ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯙ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯆꯥꯟ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ, ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 2002ꯗ, ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯁ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝ ꯏꯟ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯗ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝ, ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝ ꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯙ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯆꯥꯟ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ 2002ꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯗ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯥꯔꯚ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯌꯔ, ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯗꯦꯁꯦ 29 ꯑꯥꯒꯁꯇ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯥꯔꯚ ꯇꯧꯏ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯥꯔꯚꯦꯁꯟꯗꯨꯗ, ꯑꯣꯀꯦꯖꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯚꯦꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯦꯃꯤꯅꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯦꯊꯂꯦꯠꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯄꯤꯀꯣ꯫ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯇꯤ ꯈꯦꯜ ꯔꯠꯅꯗꯨꯅꯦ, ꯑꯔꯖꯨꯅꯥ, ꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯥꯆꯥꯔ꯭ꯌ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯙ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯆꯥꯟ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦ꯫ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯈꯔꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ꯫ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ꯫ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ, ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ꯫ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ꯫